Today we are going to prepare the kathrikai kadala pirattal. Ingredients are brinjal, gram, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, mustard, chili powder, salt, coconut milk, onion, tamarind, garlic paste, red chilli, green chilli and curry leaves. Now I am going to make tamarind solution and make it like a thick solution. Tamarind solution is ready. Now I am going to cook. Now I am going to heat a pan. Add enough oil. After oil become hot, I am going to fry the brinjal. Now it's fried well. I'm going to take it off. Fry the gram. Stop frying is enough. Now I am going to take it off. Add the garlic paste. Add little amount of mustard. Add onion, red chilli, green chilli, and curry leaves. Add the fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds. Now I am going to add the gram and brinjal. Add the salt and tamarind solution. Add the chili powder. Close the lid and wait for 3 minutes. Cook well. I am going to off the cooker and leave it in the cooker for 5 minutes. Guys, now the kathrikai and kadala pirattal is ready. It's very spicy. You can serve with the rice and enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much.